What is all this for? So much fabric. Hey everyone, it's Michelle, and today I have a massive SHEIN haul. Yeah, I've got 3 bags from SHEIN. So before we get into this video, like 2 notes. 1, I've been sick as a dog, like TMI but vomiting. It's been rough. Trying to get my energy up during this video because I really do need to film. So obviously my makeup's not doing the best today because I literally had to slap it on my face. Whew. But on the bright side, I'm down 3 pounds because I've been so sick, so like, feeling skinny. Perfect time for a try-on haul. Obviously this is a huge order, but it really wasn't that much money because SHEIN has such good deals, probably because the quality of the clothing isn't the best and it's cheap, but whatever. I'm here for a good time, not for a long time. So with SHEIN, they always have deals like buy one, get one 90% off, or buy 3, get 60% off, or just like they have their deals of the day. So the prices are gonna be a little funky, but I'll try my best to put what I paid for it on the screen if it doesn't say it on the packing slip. Anyway, let's just get into it because I've got a lot of stuff to try on. I'm gonna open up the first bag. I was really only gonna place 1 order, but they kept having different deals every day, and like the free shipping gets me, it's a whole thing. Did they give me a packing slip? All right, so there's no packing slip in this one. Like I said, I'll go through my receipts and put the price on the screen. So first up, I do like this about SHEIN, by the way, that they put everything in its own little zipper bag. That's kind of nice. Anyway, first up, ooh, good lord. That is thin. This is a 2-piece set. It's a skirt set and a top set. What am I doing? It's like I order clothes in the middle of the night when I can't sleep. Like, where do I think I'm going? On a fucking cruise? Anyway, this set is a size medium. I believe everything's a size medium. I'll double check. Man, for description it just says 2-piece. Yeah. Anyway, it's a medium. Let's try it on. Oh, good lord. Okay. Again, where am I going? Am I going to Cancun? What am I doing with my life? First note, should have gotten a large. I don't know who she thinks she is. Yeah, so this thing is way too tight to function, and I don't have a good bra. Like, I had my bra on with it, but you could see the whole bra, but now you can just see my nipples, so it's all lose-lose, honestly. This whole situation with my vagina being right here, not a great situation. Here's what it's looking like from behind. So, yeah, even throwing up for a day and a half couldn't save this one, unfortunately. I like the color, if that counts for anything. All right, and then we've got, I think, another 2-piece set. What? God, these are so thin. That's just gonna be a trend. How do these, okay, there we go. All right, this set is also a medium, and it's a little short set, and another front tie top, and it's like acid wash, tie-dye type of thing. Yeah, okay, let's try it on. This is a 2-piece set I can get more down with. It's got pockets, and they work, so cool with that. I need to look and see, because there's just so much material here. I need to see what the model did in her picture. I'm like, did she tie it around her? Because, Lord, this is a lot of fabric. Obviously, not the right bra. I really think instead of a 2-piece set, I would like this, just like with a pair of high-waisted jeans. Give me kind of like a 90s grungy vibe. And like this with a bodysuit or something. But I don't hate this one. Here's what it looks like from the back. It's a little short, but luckily I'm short. I don't know, I think it's cute. Again, I'm not going on vacation, but I order clothes like I am, so hey. All right, this is a medium dress, and it's supposed to be like a distressed dress, obviously, because of all the holes. Okay, but this one looks like it's gonna be right on my titty. All right, we won't know until we put it on, but it's also very thin. Okay, so I don't hate this. It's a little snug here, but again, working on this whole section. I don't like that the rips are where my titties are. Like, I need to wear a black bra or something more fun. Then there's a little cutouts in the hippies here, which is fine. It's like a little dangerously short, but again, I'm not dressing like an almost 30-year-old mother. I'm dressing like an 18-year-old going to the club, so. None are on my actual butt though, right? They get a little close. Ooh, this one's pretty close. That's the side of my butt cheek. I don't know, man. I like it though. I think I'd wear this out and my husband would be like, what the fuck? The next two items are bottoms, so I'll just try it on with my yellow tank top, even though it won't match. This is just a medium skirt. It's, I think, high-low, or it's like tulip wrapped. I don't know, but I liked the color. I thought it was pretty and really nice for spring, even though we're going to be entering fall. Whatever. This actually feels thick. Like the thickest thing I've had so far. Yeah, let's put it on. Okay, so with this tank top, not a fan, but I'd obviously wear it with something different. I think it's really cute. It's just a nice high-waisted skirt. I was thinking it was more high-low, but no, it's definitely tulip. You part the C's, and there's your little mini skirt underneath, I guess, so in case the wind blows. Oh my god. Yeah, it's cute. I like it. I almost wish I would have gotten like a dark green or something. I don't know, more of a wintry kind of color, because this would be great for a Savannah winter. It's really thick and it's long. I'm gonna have to see if they have more colors because it's really comfortable. I can turn around, but you're probably gonna see my tank top line. It's somewhere in there, yeah. So I'm probably all rigid, but so you get an idea. But yeah, I think this one's actually really cute and it feels good. For fast fashion, this is like the best quality I've felt from like any of the brands I've tried. Okay, I'm super excited about these, but I don't know that they're gonna fit. They're a size medium, and they're like a high-waisted snake print. That's snake print, right? Yeah, but it's blue. It's like a snake print pant. It probably won't match this tank top at all, but whatever. Oh, it's probably just not gonna fit at all, but again, whatever. Let's put them on. I love these pants. I knew I would, not with the tank top, of course, but in general. Oh, they just feel so good. I think they look cute. I'd love to wear them with like a black bodysuit or something. Just, yeah. They feel good. I don't like that you can see my whatever there, but I don't even care. They're just so roomy. They're like the millennials' hammer pants. You know what I mean? You probably don't. You're probably a millennial. Whatever. They're just comfortable and they're flattering, especially for someone with a pooch. I don't know, I just really like this style of pant lately. And they're not too tight, and I thought they would be. I'm so happy. Yeah, these are great pants. All right, the second order. This one has a packing slip. I feel like this isn't what I ordered though. Did I order this? Yep, I did. No. Well, pays to open your orders when you get them and not just keep them in your closet forever. I did not order this order. This is not mine. That's a bummer. Yes, I did. This looks like a dress maybe? Oh, it's a jumpsuit? Oh, fuck. I definitely didn't order that. I did order it. I just have a bad memory. And I thought it was a dress. Okay, well, I'll try it on anyway. Fuck it. It's a size medium. Okay, I know you can see my bra. It is what it is. Anytime I've ever put on a romper, I feel like a little girl. I'm not into it. I feel just dorky and lumpy and terrible. I did not order this romper, but I don't 100% hate it. I don't know if I'd ever feel comfortable wearing it in public, but I don't totally hate it. It's not the most unflattering thing I've ever seen on myself. I don't know, it feels pretty comfortable actually. I like it more from the back than I do the front. I feel like the booty looks good in it, and oh, maybe it's because the front's not out. Like I feel like I'm like sticking out here. I bet that's what it is. Maybe if this was all enclosed, I would like it more. Can I? Oh, well then I give a camel toe. I don't like that. I don't know. It's all right. So yeah. And then this is. Okay, this is also a size medium, and it's like a front wrap crop top. I'll try that on too. And yeah, I'll just put this on with like one of the bottoms that I got in the last order. I don't know, man. I felt kind of like the mummy trying to wrap it around myself. I don't know. Like, there's, I don't know. I don't know how it's supposed to go. I know I ordered a black shirt that was similarly like long ties, so I think you're supposed to tie it around yourself, but I don't know. I just feel like a mummy. And it's not quite spooky season. Let me see, just for fun, what would it look like? No, that'd be too much. I don't know. Like, what if I just tied it in the back? No. There's just so much. What the fuck? Maybe I can cut them. I don't know. All right, the biggest order. How funny is this? They were running this promotion during this time. Like, you got a free purse. Yeah, you got a free purse with like any dollar amount order. That's a purse, all right. A lot of people don't know this, but you can put your weed in here.
Yeah, a lot of people don't realize this, but you can put your weed in there.
This has that weird slimy feeling. Honestly, I probably did order this because I like navy, but it might be one of those like expectations versus reality things. All right, it's a size medium. It's just a boring navy shirt. I'll put it on with, again, one of the bottoms that came with my first order. All right, honestly, I'm not even gonna try on pants with this one. I don't like it at all. It's just kind of frumpy and ugly and yeah. Nope, this is a miss. Yeah, this is thin. It's just a medium white button-up shirt. Okay, so sheer button-up white top medium. Also, with these medium athletic pants that looked a lot more promising online, they have a butt zipper that turns out to be not functional. That's fine. Whatever, let's just try them on together. It'll be like business on the top, party on the bottom. All right, so these two totally go together. So on the website, this shirt looked less job interview and more casual chic. On me, it looks like I'm trying to get a job as like a secretary. I don't know. Yeah, I'll keep it in case I needed anything for a job interview. Whatever. The leggings, okay, so pros, they're really like soft. Even the mesh doesn't feel uncomfortable, and I do like the little mesh detail. I think that's very cute. It's on both sides and then wraps around to the front, and then it's on the calves as well. The thing is though, these feel so cheap that I'm afraid like if I go to squat in them or something, like they could rip. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. Can you see my butthole? Like, are they see-through? I don't know. Time will tell. I'll tell you if I wear them to the gym ever, but they're cute. Maybe they'd be good for like yoga. I don't know. They definitely aren't great together. That's for sure. All right, I'm trying to figure out if this is a shirt or a dress. Navy medium thing. I think it's supposed to be like a sweatshirt material. Oh, I think I remember the pictures. It's supposed to be like a one shoulder, off the shoulder kind of moment. Okay, that's why this is all stretched out. That makes sense now. Okay, I'll put that on. Do I have any pants? Oh, I do, but it won't look good with these. I got this pair of navy pants. They're also a size medium. They're high-waisted. They look promising. And then they tie. Okay, they won't match, but we'll put them on together. So this shirt does not look good with these pants, but it looked even worse with the navy blue dress pants, so I felt like a clown. Put these on instead. I really do like this shirt, sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. I like the one shoulder, lazy, whatever. And I like the length too, so I can wear it with just like leggings, which will be nice. Cause yeah, it's long enough to cover my booty. Shit, I could probably just wear this as a dress. Hold on. Yeah, there we go. Screw the pants. Okay, so in public I'd probably wear leggings, but for you guys, you don't need pants. Anyway, this is cute, and it was pretty cheap, I'm pretty sure. You have to double check. I mean, all of it's pretty cheap. But yeah, it's really cute. I wonder what looks better. Ooh, I like this even more. Yeah, both my shoulders are cold. Anyway, it's cute. I like it. How the fuck? So I put job interview shirt back on for these pants. I'm just gonna, here, hold on. Okay, so I just lazily tucked this in so we could get a better idea. These are cute. They're kind of tight. They're very tight. Who am I kidding? Kind of. But I think they're cute, and when I lose a few more pounds, they'll definitely be a lot more cute. I do like them from the back, not with this shirt tucked in, but my butt looked pretty cute in them when I checked the mirror, so I'm not mad about that at all. I like the navy color. I think it'll be really nice for fall and winter. Overall, not mad. Cute pants. And it's hard to find good, cheap pants. Whew, home stretch. I'm getting hot. Okay, so we've got this medium cropped shirt situation. I think it's long sleeve. Yeah, long sleeve black, and then it ties around the waist maybe? I don't know, these are really long. That makes me nervous. Oh, machine wash, thank God. I hate when stuff is hand wash only. Because your girl is lazy. Alright, let's put it on with those navy pants because why not? Okay, I was looking it up and the girl tied it to the side. That makes a little more sense. Looks a little cuter that way. Again, this is really comfortable. The one thing I don't like about it is that there's elastic in the sleeves. Not a deal breaker, it's just like, why? I'd rather them be loose, but that's okay. From the back, I think it's supposed to have some cute open areas, but I can't figure it out right now, sorry. Anyway, overall, it's cute and it feels good. I like the material, and I just wish the tie wasn't so long, but that's okay. Still cute. And I like it with these pants, actually. Whew, all right, you guys. That was an insane clothing haul. I really need to stop buying so much clothes until I know that I'm done losing weight, because I'm just going to keep losing weight, especially if I get sick again. Because, I mean, man, this stomach virus thing was a blessing and a curse. Know what I mean? Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you later. Bye!